fact, actually with the latest drought monitor that came out last Thursday, we were upgraded in a lot of locations to now be in a moderate drought. So we do need the rain across the area, and we have a couple scattered showers out there now, but it's not going to be enough to bust that drought for us this week. We have scattered showers around today. That's going to continue tonight and then into our day tomorrow as well. But in total, no one location is likely going to get more than a quarter to maybe a half inch. And again, that's going to be scattered, so not a widespread event. Your high temperatures today, we ended up topping out in the 60s and 70s. We made it to 73 degrees in Aurora, 64 in Gary, 75 in Valparaiso, 67 in Waukegan, same thing at O'Hare, 73 in Kankakee, and we hit 74 degrees down in Rensselaer. Your 5-day forecast here, we have a really nice warming trend late this week, but first we have to get through tomorrow. Temperature is going to be even cooler than what we had today, likely only topping out in the lower 60s for your highs on Wednesday. That's way below average. Typically for this time of the year, your average highs are right around 75 degrees, but we're going to be closer to that late this week. By Friday, we're in the mid to upper 70s, and then over the weekend, we're expected to be in the low to mid 70s as well. Now, looking beyond this weekend, so this is your temperature outlook from June 2nd through the 6th, which happens to be Monday through Friday of next week. And we are strongly favored to see above average conditions. So many models bringing temperatures well into the 80s for a couple days next week. So it's going to be gorgeous, feeling like summertime, and we've certainly earned it the last several days. In fact, over a week, about a week and a half now, we've been dealing with below average conditions. So the radar right now, we have spotty showers across the south suburbs and then moving into northwest Indiana. For those of you in southern Lake and Porter County, seeing some light sprinkles right now. And then we also have some sprinkles coming down in southeastern Kankakee County. That's going to be moving into Newton and Jasper counties over the next half hour to an hour. Satellite and radar zooming things way out here. We've had a couple breaks in the cloud cover every now and then. Right now across places like DeKalb County, Kane County, you're likely seeing those clouds thinning out a bit. Futurecast taking us throughout the rest of this evening and tonight. Again, a couple spotty showers going to be possible. I think the best opportunity for rain is going to be tomorrow morning through the midday hours, and then we're going to start to see a lot of those showers falling apart going into the afternoon. So tomorrow afternoon looks primarily dry, but we're going to have northeasterly winds, once again bringing in that cooler air off of the lake. So lakefront locations tomorrow going to be in the upper 50s, but inland locations low to mid 60s expected. And then taking us into Thursday. Thursday's when we're going to start to warm up at least a little bit more. We're near 70 degrees for your high. There's a very small chance for an isolated shower or two, but most areas end up staying dry. Right now, here's the view. We have east-northeasterly winds about 13 miles per hour. We have mostly cloudy conditions, a temperature of 67. Tonight, 54. We'll have northeasterly winds right around 5 to 10 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, 62 degrees tomorrow. Good chance of scattered showers, especially morning and midday. An isolated shower or two is possible on Thursday. Then again, Friday night. Temperatures during the day on Friday, 77 degrees. We're in the 70s over the weekend. And then next week, it looks gorgeous, very summer-like. We are in the 80s for your highs by Monday and Tuesday. Keep it here. We have more local news right after this.